Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Mi Bluetooth Sports earphones and I will show you how we can unpair them from your iPhone. So at first I will just show you that I am really connected. I will play song through this Bluetooth, through these earphones, and I will put them to the microphone. So let's hear. I hope that you can hear it right now. So as you can hear, I'm connected. And to remove them from our iPhone, to successfully disconnect them, go for the settings. We have to also go for the Bluetooth settings and then find our earphones. In my case, they are here. This Chinese name. Click here and tap to disconnect. And after that, tap to forget this device and confirm. As you can see right now, I'm disconnected. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.